Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pokegemzart. What a fun, easy, relaxing project to learn about yourself, to learn about color. Guys, I'm going to teach you why this could be so perfect for you to do right now. But before we get started, please hit subscribe. Please hit that bell, turn on the notifications. That way you won't miss out on any future projects. Alright, with this one we're going to basically start with a marker and a piece of paper. All you're going to do is just start drawing squiggly lines, continuous lines, free-form swirls, loops, and try to do this without lifting the marker off your paper. Keep in mind that the more loops, the more swirls you do, the more sections you will have to color in once we start coloring in a few minutes. And if you find yourself where the marker came off the edge of the paper, don't even worry about it. There's no wrong way to make this project. Now, think about the situation that we're in right now. Do you find yourself feeling a little bit anxious? I think that's pretty normal. So sometimes art, like this that we're doing here, can be quite therapeutic. This particular project that we're doing right here, I call this the therapeutic doodle. Because the cool thing about this project is that there is really no wrong way to do this project. This is kind of like whatever you're feeling at the moment, you're going to take those feelings and you're going to put them down on a piece of paper. Whatever color your brain is thinking, you're going to grab that color and you're going to put that color down on a piece of paper. Whatever is your favorite art material, whether it be a piece of paper like I used, or whether it be a piece of junk mail that's laying around, you could even do this project on there. There is really no wrong way to do this project. Alright, let's go ahead and get started, and let's look at the different colors that we're going to use here. Alright, think about, like I said a minute ago, this situation that we're in and what you can do to kind of calm yourself. I know sometimes what I do is just take a piece of paper, grab some markers, grab some pencils, and just start coloring. And sometimes you might feel a certain way, and that's why you pick up a certain color. Like, look at this, we just started a second ago with the color red, right? Look at red, it's such a beautiful color on the rainbow, and it usually shows up as the first color on the rainbow. And what's the reason for that? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of the red color, right? Wouldn't it be more than likely a stop sign? It means like, hey, alert, take a look at this, right? That's why a lot of times we use the red color. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play, let it continue. Go ahead and guys watch the different colors that I use and think about what colors you would use if you were painting at the same time. And don't forget, if you are doing this project at the same time as I am, I happen to choose markers, I happen to choose Sharpies just because they were what I had available right at that moment. This project looks absolutely beautiful, done in paint, done with colored pencils, even done with crayons. Or what I would love to see you guys do, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this, have you ever tried mixing different art materials together? Meaning, how about make some of the spaces with marker, others with paint, and maybe a few of them with just a few colored pencils. Let me know if you've ever done that. Let me know also in the comments, what is your favorite art project? I would love to get your guys' ideas so that I can see if I can recreate some of your art projects and we could do this together here on YouTube.
We have traveled long and come so far upon this road, and we've seen mountain high, valley low, still we're standing strong. Feel the rhythm and the
just about done. Couple more colors and we will be finished. I just want to let you guys know at this time, please don't forget that we do go live here just about every single day on YouTube, usually in the afternoon about 5 p.m., where we can get together, we can talk, we can have a little art therapy together, talk about different things, meet together with friends. So I would love to see you on one of our live broadcasts here, like I said, about 5 p.m. every day. Alright, just about done, but we can't forget at the end, make sure to personalize your art project, sign that, put a date on it. If you haven't done so, please check out my channel on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. I do post pictures and projects every single day there. Also, if you can, please check out my website, www.pokegemzart.com, to get your own merchandise. And don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on those notifications, and I will definitely see you on the next one.